Tonight is Friday. It is ladies' night, and I'm feeling right. Oh, this is ladies' night. Oh, what a night.
What we're gonna do tonight, though, because it's a Friday, is that we're gonna have something that me and my wife call date night. I really date morning still, because I get home at like after 1 every night. I leave work at 1 o'clock, so we're gonna probably sit down, have some finger food, have a few drinks. I think she said she want to play truth or dare or something like that, but we'll figure a game out to play now. I figure a game out to play, and just just all the vibes. You see me I say? So stay tuned. You see me I say?
Today is Friday, sorry, and we have date night. Tonight is me and Omi night. Wait, stop. Listen. The kids are sleeping. Omi's coming home. He comes home very late, but we put our time and an effort and an energy and having our time together. That's very important, because no matter how long you have been married, you still need tips, you still need, to help you in your marriage, because we do go through different things, and we don't need just any opinion. We need some good opinion, right? Or some good advice. But yes, cut the story short. See your girl look good.
So as promised, me just up me from work. As promised. Me tell me I'll catch a girl there asleep, watches. I ain't hot, you know. She's on peace, she done and eat in the house, people. She have to eat mad in the house, Hey, woman. Hey. Hey. Wake up! Child, this money in my bed, man. I ain't run after the house for a day. When these people make a wash up myself, greasy like a boy, jeez and peace. And I come out here and do a thing. You see me, I see you in a couple.
Man, come home, come wake me, boy.
Yeah, come wake her best part of it, man. Because a woman loves sleeping, she love her bed.
Who not love them bed? Talk it truth, man.
Love her bed, man.
Him not feel bed too. So when him sleep, him drop gears in and go in like an old truck. You know what I mean?
As I try to make joke, me I tell the people. As I try to make joke.
You know when truck has started him? You're gonna gear,
All the part time, man, the time I tired, what more card, you know? After what time, you know? At 2:09, you know?
Yeah, go
me
back
just
to
come in.
Me just go back to your point and I say, I love sleep, but I say, everybody loves sleep. Because it refreshes you and make you have the energy again for another day.
Listen, you work hard, you sleep hard.
Work hard
You
too.
see me, I say you snore hard.
No snore, like, no, I snore.
He almost tell me I'll baby a snore, so I don't wonder what he's doing.
So far, the two of them seem alive.
Yeah, the man a kick in more time, I tell you. He must run in their family.
I actually got it in recording with two of them. One I got after them singing a chorus.
Yeah.
But the funny thing, I don't know which one of them louder. That's the thing, I have to probably go pay keen attention to see which one of them louder.
She snore, she don't know that too.
I don't snore. Him can't put my black pan the line. I don't snore.
I hear you. But anyways, what we're gonna do? We're gonna jump on that game really quick because you're hours, you know. Hours, if you don't believe me. You see me get the clock here. Hours. See there? Cause me just come on me yard. But yo, it's always good to come home and see someone this amazing in your house. But anyways, watch it now. The date night has started now. Yo, date night has started now. But watch it now. She said she want to play truth or dare. I say, yo, listen, my brain shut now. I not do them something. man's on the road in the party star. But anyways, yo, now my drinks over here, so. Big people drink them here, you know. Jamaican know them thing, you know. Dragon big up on themselves, so want free promotion, yeah. But yo, the thing shot. Yes, me I send them, I go bust some champagne on the side, but yo, the wings ready. The wings them turn up. Yeah, man. But anyways, me I go bust this up and me I go jump on the game right away, cause yo, me not there one night now, man. And this man here, who decided to just come in and crash the party. You ain't got nothing to say too, right? You should say, I'm sorry, Dad. He ain't care. This man don't care.
He must see I play a game when he for in bed. Bed. Kenil, bed.
Just select, continue. Wait, back.
Poor girl, you're not gonna be able to play.
I can use it. What? I've been playing for a long time.
Well, your control's busted as well.
No, but
But you kind of just put too much strength in that one.
Let people
It's so
see the game.
easy, man. Too early. One
So
press.
Kenny, who are you? Which character are you?
Wow.
You're the toad and
Get
Sheldon.
us. Yeah. Let me see me destroy this little girl.
I just keep putting it too much strength in it.
How is it too early?
See what I tell you guys? He's always complaining.
Well, I
He's always complaining about the tool.
You see that guy? You see how I destroyed your little sister?
went over there myself. But anyway.
Nice. No! Yo, I had that jumping shot. I don't know, man. That was supposed to be a backhand
Turn
in.
around.
I took that victory. I took that victory.
Wait, how do I oh. Oh. Oh.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
You just keep using your super.
Look at Kenny like he is the one who's scoring.
You like that, huh? Get back here. Get back here.
I can't. I moved over there and I just missed the ball.
Get out of here. Say it. Say get out of here.
See, I'm not.
So you see what me do them people, yeah? Me I show them say me are the man and them are the picnic. You see me I say?
Oh! No, I should have
Why?
The
I
match.
should have went over there. I thought you were gonna swing over there.
Sure. You wanna? Mother versus daughter. You don't call it a night because I'm easy.
Mom was like,
You know that thing too easy for me.
Mommy's like, no.
Come camera girl. Come beat your daughter, yeah? I want to.
No, when I
Yes, I sleep. Alright, she said must give her one more try. And this is my last game.
Once upon a time, not long ago, I was good.
Really?
Wow.
Well, the old, like one,
Mm-hmm, the one.
the old Mario?
The old Mario.
Don't believe her.
My brother used to play it on the TV as well.
Oh.
Like the PlayStation. You see, come on, PlayStation.
This was never a PlayStation.
It wasn't
It's a Nintendo game.
Nintendo.
That's why I know she's not. You know what that about?
No, I'm not versatile in terms of, but I know that when my brother play on the TV, you see the song come on to say PlayStation.
It's like the old so these were your first introduction. Ready? Oh my god, seriously? Seriously? Oh Lord. What place you are? I'm getting destroyed. What the hell is going on here? Get out of here, girl. Come in front of me, man. Seriously. Oh, this stage is rough, girl.
Who's in fifth grade? Your dad?
No.
Just cool and watch the boss lady. Watch out now. Oh my god.
Mala jumping at the volcano.
It's because these controllers are so small. They're tiny in their hands. Oh my god, who did that? What did I get?
I want
Somebody squeezed by you. Cheese and peas. Watch this.
He went into the volcano.
Toad, you failed me, guy. You failed me.
Oh my god.
2 o'clock, it's almost 3 o'clock in the morning, guy. You failed me, man. Look at this. They gave me everything.
Yeah, I won.
And I'm still losing.
What's those things around you?
The stuff that we can use a superstar.
Can you?
So-
You get lost.
Can you come in? Can you come in?
To the baby. He's like, what? Dad, you failed me?
Terribly.
I failed you, son. Alright, so everybody tired?
Yes. Except it's only mommy. Really just tired.
Yeah, shut the lame on my house. Wanna sleep. But anyways, people, thank you for joining us
Remember to
Like.
and subscribe.
and share and click the notification bell.
Manners and respect to everybody. Say bye, baby.
Say bye.
Say bye bye.
What do you say? Bye.
Alright.
Oh, you said bye bye. Bye.